We are back and the butter is browned. Come and look. See how it's brown? You see it?
Yeah, that one's called browning.
It's called brown butter. Okay, come and smell it. You can smell it. See if you smell if it smells like what?
It's hot.
You smell like a nutty smell?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna let it cool because like I said, we can't have it go in too. So here when I pour it, you can see better. You see right there, you'll have that little residue. That's what makes the cookies taste good right there. See? So we're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna add it to that and then we're gonna do the whole process. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We are back and we have brown butter. Okay, so look, see? I know it looks really dark, but it really, really adds in flavor. So I'm gonna add it to the sugars, and I'm gonna mix that together. I'm gonna incorporate the eggs and, just the regular rigmarole with cookies. I put that on so I remember to put my timer on. Gosh darn it, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, with cookies, you know how you add the wet ingredients and then you incorporate the dry. So when we come back, I will be adding my little embellishments and then scooping it. I got my trays ready to do cookies. So we'll be back. I'm going to just incorporate this. And look, you'll even see there, it gives you that if this is normal with brown butter. I'm going to mix away, put the eggs in, then the baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, and then I'm going to incorporate the flour. So we'll be right back. Welcome back.
What is that?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of awkward sometimes opening, Okay, so I have a batch in already for him with just chocolate chips. But see, this is what you do with your leftover stuff. Last week when I said for the Canelo fight, I remembered that I had coconut leftover and pecans from the German chocolate cake.
Who won that fight?
Not Canelo, the other guy. What was his Marshall? What was his name?
Terrence Crawford.
Okay, Crawford.
So you watched the fight.
I didn't watch that fight. I watched the ones before. I watched Notre Dame lose with you guys out in the backyard.
Thanks.
And then I watched one of the Irish guy. The Irish guy won the boxing match. Walsh. What's his name?
Walsh.
That's where I was getting the name from. Okay, look at that. So I'm just add pecans, coconut, whatever you want. And then the only thing that I got told by Danny Boy before he left was put more chocolate chips in. So I did a mixture of semi-sweet mini chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. So I put a lot of them in there. So when we come back, we'll have the taste test and I'm gonna make Billy try this cookie.
I'm not gonna try it.
Why? It's because, well, yes you are.
What if I don't?
He is. There's no one else here to try it. So he's gonna try a chocolate chip one with his milk and he's gonna try this one with his milk. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.